Hello garden lovers! We just finished our first green chili harvest of the season, and we're getting ready to get them roasted, peeled, and frozen, and we're working on that video to share with you on how we preserve our green chilies. So we thought we'd go ahead and do a midsummer harvest. I just love doing these harvest pictures. There is so much beauty here. We've got all the colors of the rainbow represented except for blue. Forgot to harvest some blueberries. And we did a garden tour part 1 and 2 where we mentioned all these varieties, but those videos are very long. So I thought we would just share these varieties really quick in a quick harvest video. All right, here we have the beautiful Kellogg's breakfast tomatoes. Big slicer, delicious, gorgeous tomato. And right below it we have some purple jalapenos. They were very dark purple and then they ripened to red. Here we have the delicious atomic grapes. And of course, all of our green chilies. These are Anaheim chilies. And you can see some of them are ripening to red. As they ripen to red, the flavor just gets sweeter. They're so delicious. Over here we have some Magic Mountain. And here's some big beef steaks. These are the big beefs. Here we have some Red Ember. Those are large cayenne. We'll be powdering our own cayenne. We've got some Violetta artichoke, some delicious Thai basil. We've got some apples here that we'll be making a raspberry apple pie with. Back there are the expression onions, a large yellow onion with long storage capabilities. Got some watermelons back there. We've got a sugar baby. And I think the one next to it is a Saskatchewan. I'm gonna have to double check that. These delicious purple onions are the Apache bunching onions. Here we have some Polarosa lettuce. Very beautiful and heat tolerant variety. We're getting ready to share the lettuce varieties that we grow in the summer. Heat tolerant lettuce variety video coming very soon. And we got some more big beef, some more Kellogg's breakfasts. The gopher did get most of our garlic, but we did get some, thankfully. Got more watermelon back there. Got lots and lots of beautiful grapes. This is the Flame Seedless. And this beauty is a Black Russian. First time growing it. Such a gorgeous tomato. Rich in anthocyanins. Very excited to taste this one. And we have some bells. I didn't see a tag when I harvested these guys, so I think this was a mystery seed, meaning I just had a bag that said bells, and that probably means I harvested it from an organic bell pepper from either our farm box or the store. And some more sugar babies. And a Haley's Jumbo. We are so passionate about growing our own food because it's so therapeutic watching this creation grow, pop out of a seed and grow into a beautiful plant, and then a delicious meal, and for the amazing health benefits. All right, that's it for now. Looks like the sun is hitting this beautiful harvest. So I better get it moved inside. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week, and enjoy your garden.